Choosing the right credit card for your business can feel like a maze, especially in 2026, where the landscape of rewards and interest rates is constantly shifting. But finding the perfect fit is essential for maximizing your company's bottom line. When we look at the top contenders for this year, the primary decision usually comes down to a fundamental choice between points and cash back, each offering unique advantages depending on how your business operates and where you spend your money. Cash back cards are often the preferred choice for business owners who value simplicity and immediate impact, because receiving a flat percentage back on every purchase provides a clear and predictable way to reduce overhead costs without having to manage a complex rewards portal. On the other hand, points-based cards can offer significantly more value if you are a frequent traveler or if you know how to leverage transfer partners, as the value of a single point can often exceed the standard 1 cent per point when redeemed for first-class flights or luxury hotel stays. As we dive into the specific reviews for 2026, we have to look closely at the annual percentage rates and the fee structures, which have seen some adjustments due to the current economic climate, making it more important than ever to read the fine print before signing any agreements. Many of the leading cards are currently offering introductory periods with 0% interest on purchases for the first 12 months, which can be an incredible tool for startups looking to finance new equipment or inventory without incurring immediate debt. However, you must be mindful of the regular APR that kicks in after that initial period, as those rates can vary wildly based on your creditworthiness and the specific card issuer's policies. Annual fees are another critical factor to consider, with some premium cards charging upwards of $500 a year, but these often come with high-value perks like airport lounge access, primary rental car insurance, and significant sign-up bonuses that can easily outweigh the cost if you use them correctly. For small businesses with diverse spending habits, some cards now offer rotating categories or customizable tiers, where you can earn higher percentages on things like office supplies, shipping, or internet services, ensuring that your most common expenses are working the hardest for you. We are also seeing a rise in cards that integrate directly with accounting software, which saves hours of manual data entry and helps maintain a clean trail for tax season, providing a layer of administrative value that goes beyond just the rewards. If your business is focused on growth and you carry a balance, focusing on the lowest possible APR is your best strategy. But if you pay your bill in full every month, you should ignore the interest rate and focus entirely on the rewards program that yields the highest return for your specific spending profile. In this review, we have analyzed the latest offerings from major banks and fintech companies to give you a comprehensive look at which cards are leading the market in 2026, taking into account the ease of use, the flexibility of redemptions, and the quality of customer service. Ultimately, the best business credit card is the one that aligns with your financial goals, whether that means earning a free vacation every year through points or simply getting a 2% discount on everything you buy through a reliable cashback program. The landscape of corporate finance has evolved significantly as we move through 2026, making the selection of a business credit card a pivotal decision for your company's operational efficiency and long-term savings strategy. When evaluating the top contenders this year, the debate between points and cash back remains central to the conversation. Yet, the nuances of how these rewards are earned and redeemed have become far more sophisticated than in previous years. Cash back programs are seeing a massive resurgence among lean startups and service-based businesses because they provide an immediate and tangible return on investment, allowing owners to reinvest those liquid funds directly back into their marketing budgets or payroll, without jumping through the hoops of travel portals. However, for companies that operate on a global scale or require frequent executive travel, the points-based ecosystem continues to offer an unmatched level of luxury and value, especially when you consider the updated transfer ratios and the exclusive partnership perks that have been introduced this season. Looking closely at the 2026 financial metrics, the annual percentage rates have stabilized but remain a critical factor for any business that anticipates carrying a monthly balance to manage cash flow gaps. It is vital to distinguish between the purchase APR and the penalty APR, as the latter can climb significantly if a payment is missed, potentially wiping out any benefits gained from the rewards program in a single billing cycle. Fees are also undergoing a transformation, with many issuers now offering tiered annual fee structures that scale alongside your business growth, providing entry-level options for freelancers and high-limit premium tiers for established corporations. We are seeing more cards eliminate foreign transaction fees entirely as the global marketplace becomes more integrated, which is a massive win for businesses sourcing materials or talent from international markets. Beyond the basic math of interest and rewards, the best cards of 2026 are distinguishing themselves through integrated technology stacks that provide real-time expense tracking and automated receipt matching. This level of synchronization with modern accounting platforms reduces the administrative burden on your team and provides a clear picture of your financial health at any given moment. Some of the highest-rated cards this year also include specialized protections like enhanced cybersecurity, insurance, and extended warranties on heavy equipment, which adds a layer of security that traditional consumer cards simply cannot match. When you sit down to compare these options, you must weigh the upfront sign-up bonuses against the long-term earning potential, ensuring that the card you choose today will still be the most profitable tool in your wallet 2 or 3 years down the line. The credit market offers an incredible variety of choices tailored to specific industries, whether you are a fleet operator looking for maximum rebates on fuel and maintenance, or a digital agency focused on maximizing returns from high-volume ad spend on social media platforms. By analyzing your past 12 months of spending data, you can accurately predict which reward structure will yield the highest net gain after accounting for all fees and interest charges. In this comprehensive review, we aim to simplify that complex calculation by highlighting the strengths and weaknesses of each major player in the current market, giving you the confidence to make a decision that fuels your business's success for the remainder of 2026 and beyond.